Entrepreneurs and business leaders, 2025 is calling. Are you ready to step into the season of transformation, clarity, and growth? Let me ask you this. How would it feel to finally have a clear plan for your business, the tools to make it happen, and the accountability to ensure you follow through? This is your season to thrive. If you're like so many entrepreneurs I've worked with, you might be feeling overwhelmed. Maybe you've got 1,000 ideas, but no clear direction. Or maybe you're working harder than ever, but you're still not seeing that growth that you want. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The world of business is more complex than ever, and trying to do it all on your own, well, it's overwhelming. But here's the truth. You don't have to figure it out alone. That's why I created Thrive, a 91-day entrepreneur journey, a program designed to help you build, grow, and lead your business in 2025 with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Together with two of the most talented people I know, we'll give you everything you need to succeed. Todd Hendrick, an incredible mindset and leadership coach who will help you develop the clarity, the focus, and the confidence to overcome obstacles and lead with impact. And Beth, Mast, a master of business operations who knows how to create systems, streamline processes, and implement strategies that actually work. And then there's me. I'll bring my decades of experience in sales, marketing, and AI mastery to show you how to amplify your skills, how to save time, and how to scale your business like never before. The three of us will be with you each step of the way, bringing you knowledge, experience, and resources that you need to thrive. When you join Thrive, here's what you'll get. First, weekly live coaching and mastermind sessions with me, Todd, and Beth. Next, you're going to get access to replays of every session so that you can revisit the key insights whenever you need. You're also going to get exclusive templates, tools, and custom-trained AI GPTs that I've designed to help save you hours and simplify your business. You also get a private members-only community where you can connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, build your network, and find accountability. And regular Ask Me Anything sessions to help get you personalized answers to your most pressing questions. And here's the best part. You keep access to the community and the resources through all of 2025 because your growth doesn't end after 91 days. Let's talk about investment. When you join Thrive, you're not spending money, you're investing in the future of your business and your life. You're gaining clarity, tools, and strategies that can multiply your results and help you achieve the growth you've been dreaming of. For just $47 a week, you'll unlock a level of guidance and support that can completely transform your business. This investment is designed to deliver exponential returns both financially and personally. And for those of you that want to take things even further, we have a limited availability opportunity, the Thrive VIP experience. As a VIP, you'll get everything in the core program plus regular small group coaching with me, Todd, and Beth, and an exclusive one-on-one coaching session tailored to your unique needs. In addition, we're going to offer you advanced tools and resources to help fast-track your success. The VIP experience is for those ready to fully commit to maximize their results, but spots are limited to ensure that you get the personalized support and attention that you deserve. I know you might be thinking, will this work for me? Or can I afford to invest in myself right now? Let me ask you this. Can you afford not to? What's the cost of staying stuck? What's the price of another year of missed opportunities, of wasted time, and of unrealized potential? The tools, insights, and support that you'll gain from Thrive are designed to deliver real, tangible results. You don't have to take my word for it. Just listen to what past participants have had to say from some of our other coaching programs.
You are active on your community and that you are offering such value.
Oh, you've become a leader in your space.
I should say it is the best thing I have ever done. I never thought like it is going to help me that much.
This is your season to thrive. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join for $47 a week or upgrade to the VIP experience for even greater access and more personalized coaching. Doors close soon and spots are limited, especially for the VIP access. This is your year, your moment, your season to thrive. Let's make it happen together.